Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip, and I'm having funky hair day. Anyway, this is going to be my Ipsy unboxing. Now I only get the Glam and the Glam Plus. I don't get the Ultimate. It hasn't motivated me, I guess, enough to invest in it. So I just get the two. The original and then the Glam Plus. So let's get started. I haven't opened them, so I don't know if I'm short some products or if I'm not short some products, so we'll see. Oh. Yeah, I do have some pluses, I think. Ooh. So I got the Color Rain, which I'm like loving. So many people that's got the Color Rain, and so I got the Vineyard Soiree. And I was excited about this. When they do their certain ones, when they go on sale and stuff, it gets me in trouble. I will be very honest. So this is part of the original one. So this is an add-on that I added. I'm pretty sure this is the add-on. I love this is like the lavenders and with grays and purples and stuff. So I'm really liking this nice color combo. Very fun. Love it. Okay. That wasn't in the bag. Oh, we got something else. So these are my add-ons, obviously. So then I also got the Pick Perf, the single eyeshadow in St. Charles, which for me, there's a town outside Chicago where I'm from, originally Illinois, and St. Charles is town, and my aunt lived there for a while, so that's how I know. I'm not a Cook County girl. I live in Western Illinois. Okay. Then we have it's like the sunset, sunrise, sunset type bag. So it's kind of cute. So I got that one as an add-on, and then I got the Day to Night single Wall Street. So here's another thing that I really like about this. When my youngest daughter was going to school, she actually lived on Wall Street in New York City. So these two kind of hold something special to me, as sad as that sounds. And it, you know, it's a name. Oh, I guess we can get the card out. Get the glow. So it is like the add-ons, the ultimate deals. It talks about that. Basically it's promoting like the highlighters, the powders, liquid cream, how you highlight or accent. And then my other 4 pieces, because like I said, Day to Night. Then we've got the Soroki Spotlight Eye Cream. You can never have too much eye cream, I'm finding out. This is a K-Beauty. It's a Korean beauty, skincare. And to me, this is a nice size. Then we have the Gold Fadden, I almost said it wrong, Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerating Facial Treatment. I am working on a ton of overnight or nighttime products, so this will go into my sample bag to draw when I do I have a project pan that I draw with samples. And then we have the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Fair Light Foundation, which is this the one I've tried? No, I think it was a different one I tried. I think it was a clay one I tried. So we'll see how this one goes too, now that I don't have enough foundations. And then we got the Tarte H2O Gloss in Below Deck. So that's a nice little travel size and stuff like that. I am liking my days off right now for the simple fact is I can wear my lipsticks. I have 26 lipsticks in a project that I'm trying to use up this year, and wearing a mask has not helped because a lot of them, like this one is Night by Lipstick Queen. It was part of the chess, like the chess piece sets that line that they had. So I'm trying to wear that today, which I love it. So now we're gonna go to Glam Bag Plus. Those aren't too bad, a little bit of foundation. I'm loving the shadows, the add-ons. Should we count the add-ons? We probably can't count those. But the one I am partially to. So, let's see. The add-ons, they're really, like I said, they're pushing that. So these don't really tell you about what we got in the bag. So now we got the After Mask Vitamin Serum, which I like serums. Mud masky to me, every time I see it, I think of face masks. So, suppose it's pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing. It's got the glycol. We'll see. I'll have to look into this one, but that's the serum. I have a pup right here, so I gotta make sure I don't bebop her. So then we have the Mimosa Moment Colored Rain. Yay, I got 2 Colored Rain palettes. So I'm assuming this one's going to be like corally mimosa. To me, yeah, corally colored. So same packaging as the other ones. So this one's more of a nude palette. So a little bit of gold, a little bit of copper. So not what I thought it was going to be, let's be honest. I honestly thought it would have some corals or some orange mimosas. To me, it's, you know, orange juice and champagne. So I was thinking something else. But that's alright. It's a nude palette. Nude palettes always work. Doesn't matter if I have 50 or 60 of them or more. And then I got in the Nomad. And this is with it's a collab with Sydney Bathers, and it's special, and it's got its little special editions and all that. Let's see what this looks like. Kiss of the Sun palette. So I assume it's a bronzing palette. Kiss of Sun palette, designed on location in Sydney, Australia. But it was manufactured in China. So check that out. So Balmoral Beach, which is very light, I'm assuming a highlighter. Tamarama Beach, Bondi Beach, which I have Bondi Sands. I'm always on a tangent, be used to it. And then the Manly Beach, which has the Nomad thing. And I do like Nomad. I love their shadows. So this one has potential. Potential. So like I said, the first one, the original one, is in its samples and stuff. And then the second one is usually full-size or deluxe samples is what I'm thinking. So then we have Beauty for Real mascara. I'm not opening it so it doesn't dry out soon. I live in a really dry climate, so I don't. This one looks small. It is smaller. So usually the glam bag is smaller. This is the glam bag that came, and look, so the plus bag is actually smaller than the glam bag. Interesting. I was not paying attention to that part. And then we've got the Sugar Rush by Tarte Sugar Coat in Cupcake, which I think a few of my friends got this one. So that's a nice rosy nude and stuff. But like I said, I'm not opening it because I'm working on certain ones and I'm trying to use them up. And there's no way once I open this, it's only good for about, what, 12 months? 12 months, yeah. So I don't want to expose it, get bacteria in or anything, and not really get any use out of it. So that is. So I'm not too disappointed in mine. You know, a bronzer palette. I have mini. But I like Nomad. I didn't even see if it smelled or anything. I forgot. So this is the Sydney, Australia. So it's all about the Sydney Alls, obviously. Sun-kissed palette with 4 highlighting and bronzing powders. So it's a sparkle bronzer to create natural glistening looks for those sexy Sydney siders. Formulated with extra fine pigments, making each powder smooth, blendable, and buildable. Infused with macadamia oil, which I do like. So the destination is Sydney, Australia. The inspiration is Sydney ciders. So it's supposed to basically just remind you of, you know, the waves, the salty sea, and all that. So I like that. I'm definitely happy with the Colored Rain palettes. This one being a nude one, when I saw the back and it said it was, or the front, Mimosa Moment, I really did think that it was going to be like more the oranges or the corals or, you know, champagne-y. It has a gold in there and stuff. I do like that, like I said, I did buy the Vineyard one, so I'm glad I bought this one since that one is a neutral. And I've got a cat harassing one of the dogs. But with these purples and very, you know, wine type colors. And I guess because this one, when I opened it, said Vineyard, and it really stuck to the theme to me with vino and stuff, you know, the purples and all that. I really thought the other one was. So I'm not disappointed because, one, more stuff to play with. Yay! So I definitely, I do like the samples that I got. So I am excited about that. So I'm not disappointed in my boxes from Ipsy this month. So I really do like it. I am excited to see how it plays out and how they do. So I hope everyone else enjoys their Ipsy boxes. I hope they had fun with their Ipsy boxes. I hope everybody's enjoying their day and doing well. If you liked, please thumbs up, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But also, you know, check out what other people are getting at Ipsy, and check out Ipsy, because especially sample sizes. I know some people, it's like, oh, paying for samples. It is and it isn't. It's a good way to start. I like the subscription boxes, and I've heard someone else say this. Renee says this also, because there's brands that, you know, I might not have access to or know about to try. So this gives me an opportunity to try these products and build from there. If I know that I'm going to like that, you know, if I want Wander Beauty, if I want to try more Colored Rain. Colored Rain has some beautiful palettes. So these little mini palettes are a great way to really see how if you know how you work with them, how your eyes look with them, and build them from there, and know if you want more from Colored Rain. I think I even have a single or a highlighter I got from Colored Rain. So I really have been enjoying it. This video is taking longer than I thought it would. But anyway, I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.